down at Bunnings. That's going to be me tightening screws to go on here. Only $2 each. Okay, where the slots for the guide running. Then I'll drop the saw in here, cut out one side, move this over, drop the saw in, cut out that side there. And a flat battery. Right, here we go. Right, let's try that again. Righto, so it's a really crappy day for doing this, by the way, because it's very windy and it comes through on the audio, which is crap. So I've cut a slit down there. I've got one over here. And I'll just get the handsaw out and I'll just neaten the ends of those holes up, and then we'll take the middle. Get it? Stop moving. Stop moving. Hang on. We'll take the middle of that out with a chisel. You get the idea. Now the battery's gone flat, so I'm just going to quickly recharge that and we'll be back with more shortly. Okay, we're back. Ran out of battery's charged, and I needed a chisel, so I went down the street and got this set. And it comes with a 6mm chisel I need, and 10, 13, 19, 25 and up to 32. And I sort of needed a couple of chisels anyway, so there we go. Let's have a look at this. Comes in a nice little box. Always exciting getting new stuff. Wow. That looks nice, doesn't it? Very nice. So these are 32. These are Irwin marbles. They are beautiful. So I'll give them a whirl. I don't need this one here, I only bought it for that, but they'll come in handy. Nice. $50, Bunnings special. Okay, we're back on the job over here. Just going to chisel out some of these. What we need to do is fit this bolt. Whoops. It comes up from underneath, but through that gap. I think it's got plenty of room, so. A little chisel here. Get me hammer. now that fits through there. I'll do the other side. That's good. I'll just move you for a second, hang 5, because I've got to get over here. Let's chuck you over here like so for a sec, and we'll do the rest of this one. As long as this fits in here, yeah, good. Cool. I need to do some measurement double checking. So I'll put these marks on here, and that should be the center of the 2 slots that we've done out there. So double check that, and it should be 3, 9, 5. And we'll check this here. And it should be 3, 9, 5. I'll just go. There's the center there. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. So what I'll do is drill a hole so that that bolt can just go through there. I don't want it too loose though, so 8mm should do it. So we'll do that. We'll start with a small hole. Tighten that up because he's a bit loose. Two. That's pretty good. Now we'll grab an 8mm bit and do the big hole. So you can find an 8mm drill bit here. Just sharpened all these so they'll be nice and sharp. That's 8.5mm. That could be the winner. That's 8mm. That's 8mm. We'll try that first. That's the winner. Take that in there. Tighten her up. It's got to go through 2 layers. Those 2 layers, which is fine. It's pretty thin. Alright, here we go. It's beautiful. A bit offline. Not too bad. Where's that bolt? That'll be plenty. Let's turn that around. And do the other one. Going straight through there. That's good. Test that one too. Nice. Alright. Now the other thing I've got to do, I think, is I've got to chop these bolts down. So we'll go and do a measure up outside again and see what happens. Okie dokie. So I'm just testing that for width. Seems pretty good. I need to put this here, go through this hole here, as you can see, they only screw down that far. So it's obviously going to tighten down to here, like that. So I've chopped some of that off. Distance. So let me chop off. There you go on that. I'm going to chop off 25mm of each of those bolts. Basically chopping this out here. 25mm, that'll give me plenty of thread. Try that. 25mm. That. Back into the shed. Oh, so this is a bit tight, so found the tool. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Wasn't that tight. Take that grinding disc off. Let's go on there, alright. Cut this cutting blade on. It just fits in there. Hope that works alright. Take the battery out. When you're doing that, that'll work. Alright, hang 5. Grab a battery. There we go. One. Take that out. Other one here. Cut that now. Should be all. Mark 25. Cut that. Just stay there. Yeah. Good. Take that out. It's going to be warm. It's going to be warm. Move those. I'm just going to quickly chuck in this grinding disc. That's better. And take the burrs off these bolts. So I haven't got a bench grinder. Battery. And we'll test that. It's a bit tight, but it's not threading it. I think that'll loosen up over time. It's still okay. Alright, good. So they're both good. Now let's go and test fit it. There we go. This should be the right size now. Oh, I know what I need to do. Put a washer under there. Hang 5. Righto. That'll just stop that bolt digging in underneath, so that'll be good. Here. I can see a small problem, but anyway, I'll be able to fix that somehow. Down the track. So that'll go on here. See that? See that? Right. Oh, Where's that going to go? Yeah, so that's not bad, but that's the problem I'm going to have, is that bolt moving underneath. So I'm going to leave it here for the time being. That's adjustable anyway, at least. Fair bit. That's all adjustable. And I don't know whether you can see that, but that design worked out well. You can't move it any closer than that to the blade, which is that was a good idea. So I can't chop into that, and you really don't want to be doing anything smaller than that anyway. So it's more designed for stuff out here, but all the way over here, still have a few adjustments to do, but I've got to work out something for the bottom. I'll leave it at that at the moment. So yeah, hope you liked it, and yeah, leave some comments and stuff. Any ideas about the bottom bit, let us know. But for the time being, I'll just pull up on that. Yeah, anyway, cheers. Not too bad, actually. But what I need to do, I think, is have underneath here the bolt, an elongated bulkhead sliding in a channel. That'll be on the next video.